Last week on Lightning Force.
The committee became aware of this photograph yesterday. It's believed to be Lieutenant Richard Talbot, reported missing in action in Laos in 1972.
I could take you.
No, that'll be fine, thanks. You better be telling the truth. All right, he wants us to play it safe and wait for backup.
We could lose a chance to bring out an M.I.A.
I say we go. Well, we've been made, haven't we? Jones, you find that village?
Talbot. Oh, yes.
I'm back.
High tech.
Low tech. Bob in here. Now, move.
What is going on?
We're here to take you home.
You dumb jerks. This is my home. I'm not a prisoner, get it?
There's nothing we could do.
You're looking at the next breakthrough for the super...
Được rồi, để tôi lo, các anh đi đi. Được rồi,
Được rồi. Được rồi.
What's the matter with you? What's the matter with you, Talbot?
You even know my name. You really did come to rescue me?
Gee, dumb idea, huh?
You know, and I thought nobody cared. And then F-Troop arrives.
We're here to take you back, Lieutenant Talbot, one way or another.
Who sent you on this little mission of mercy?
Your country?
My country? You mean the country that betrayed me and a whole generation? No. This is my country. I'm reincarnated here. I got nothing to go back to.
What about the people that care about you back home?
Oh, yeah. Like LBJ or Nixon, right? I had a sister. She'd be just about your age. Nobody cares about me. This is my past. This is my present. This is my future.
What about us, Talbot? What about our future?
Well, that's General Saying's department. You know, if you catch him in a good mood when he gets back, you got a 50-50 chance.
50-50 chance, huh?
Yeah, 50-50. He'll either torture you and kill you, or he'll just kill you. But hey, either way, you're free. You know, and you're free to walk around the village, you know, because escape is useless. You know, the jungle. I'll be right back, okay? You are my guest, so my hut is your hut. Later.
Wow, hey, I think we just found the poster child for the Just Say No campaign.
What did he mean about the jungle?
That we can get out of the compound. But out there in the jungle, maybe, just maybe, one of us gets out.
Hey, man, we made it here.
We weren't being hunted, kid.
Well, who is this General Saying?
Who is it? Huh? It's North Vietnamese during the war. Made his reputation by dreaming up all these new ways of breaking down our morale. By torture and murder. The only problem was, he couldn't differentiate between his side and ours. That's why he had to hightail it here to Laos.
Wow, man. All we need to make the 70s reunion complete is disco.
So we sit around and wait to fall on this guy's mercy.
What mercy?
Don't you understand? Talbot's the key.
Great. The guy we came here to rescue is going to rescue us?
That's right. That's right. Now, he did say we were free to walk around, didn't he?
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna explain CDs to him?
Church. I'm gonna get us the hell out of here.
He's out there. I think he's flipped a little bit.
He knows what he's doing.
I don't know. Ever since we humped it up here, he's been acting really weird.
You've been here before. Never leaves you, does it? I used to have nightmares. But now, I am the nightmare. We used these people. We gave them money. We gave them weapons. We gave them promises. We told them America would always be their friend if they help us beat the commies. Beat the commies. Yeah, we showed them. We showed them search and destroy. We showed them torch and torture. We showed them dust them and burn them. We showed them napalm. We showed them body counts. We showed them all the great stuff, man. Nightmares.
It wasn't our fault, man. We were just grunts doing what we were told to do. You know, one day, I saw what I was capable of doing. And I realized what humanity is capable of doing. Now, you can't forget everything. But, brother, you can forget enough.
You know the thing about drugs, man? Is you put it into your veins, and it all goes away. Your mind just opens up to the spirit world.
Oh, I know. What about living? This war's over. You gotta let it go.
Like you?
Well, personally, I think we should have a plan B. Now, that hut over there with the guards must be the arsenal.
We should take the guard out, get the weapons we need, and destroy the rest. That evens the odds.
I say we owe Train the chance to do it his way.
Well, as long as the old mushrooms don't kick in, we might have a chance.
McHugh would not have put him in charge if he wasn't capable.
I hope you're right.
Hey, lùi lại.
Còn con đàn bà, bắt nó.
Không quan hệ gì tới ai.
Đi theo chúng tôi.
Hey.
Lại lên.
Để tụi tao coi mày đánh như thế nào.
So much for plan B.
What the hell's going on?
They're flipped out by the white female warrior. Spooks them. They want to pit their best soldier against her.
No, this is insane.
Hey, these people have a passion for gambling. They'll bet on the outcome of anything. If Soldier Boy wins, he gets a month's salary.
And what does Joan get if she wins?
She gets to live.
It's okay.
Joe! Come on! Go for it! Keep your head up, darling. Keep your head up.
Fight well, woman. However, I can't have you destroying my men's morale. Forgive me, Richie. I don't think I have had the pleasure.
Richie?
Allow me. Troops, my partner, General Sang.
It's conquest.
I am afraid you have come a long way for nothing. Richie needs no rescuing. He likes it here.
How would he know? He's so zoned out on dope.
Richie has much pain within him. I help him ease that. It's one of his rewards for running the distribution network. Who better than a CIA agent? He has the contacts.
You helped set up this operation?
Enlighten your protege. CIA, Air America, drugs in exchange for help with the war. Good old-fashioned American free enterprise, right?
I think it loses a bit in the translation, right?
When I found him, he was near death. His own men abandoned him. The things Richard talked about when he was ranting with fever. Your government taught him much. But now, Richard, what have you decided is in store for our guests?
Well, our little tin soldiers here are gonna call home base on a secure frequency. And they're gonna tell the head honcho that this M.I.A. report was a phony.
Talbot, you kill us, and there will be others.
Oh, well, you haven't heard the best part yet. The roads here are so treacherous when it rains, vehicles just slide right down into the ravines. An accident. And all of you gone, just like that. Candles in the rain.
Hey, man, selling out to the enemy. What's that feel like, huh?
A few more ghosts in the nightmare won't make much difference, eh, Talbot?
Finally. Jin Sling. Ask them what the hell's going on.
Play it cool. I know the tricks.
Confirm. No contact with M.I.A. Just do it.
Satisfied, Talbot?
Jin Sling means they've been held captive. I knew they should have waited. Now we need some backup. And fast.
Aces. Now for part 2.
I suppose lunch is out of the question.
Afraid so.
Nothing personal. You Westerners have always been my best customers.
Right down!
Chạy nhanh lên!
We're out of here! Let's go!
Tôi đã bắt được thằng Talbot. Tiếp đó! Tiếp đó! Take him!
Cover me! I'm going for the kid!
We got more coming in!
Let's move it!
Hey, Jonah!
Come on, what is it? What is it?
Through a rod, man. She ain't going nowhere.
All right, Zeke, get us a taxi out of here.
SATCOM must have taken a bullet back there. Down.
Talbot, Talbot, listen to me. Listen to me! Now, you're showing us the way out of here. You understand me? Do you understand?
No way, man. The general never let you get away with me.
You got no choice. If you don't, we're all dead. Look at them. They still got a life to live.
Listen, you guys. This kid is dead.
Now, that's courtesy of your general. You don't owe him a damn thing now.
He was mine. It's my kid, Train.
I'm sorry.
It's just a kid. It's just a kid.
I'd like to take your boy with us, but we can't. All right?
We can't leave him here just like that.
They'll take care of him. Listen to me. They'll take care of him. He's not the enemy. I can help you, but you gotta help me.
Okay.
Okay.
It's this way.
You made better time than I thought. It's over now.
It ain't over till the fat lady sings, pal. You know, it's the first thing that came to mind, of course.
You really didn't think I would let you get away with Richie. He's my property. He belongs to me. Send him, and I will let the rest of you go.
I bet he throws in a used car for the getaway, too.
It's the only way. It's the only way.
No, no. Listen, no, no. I can't do this. Look at me. I can't let you do this.
I can't go back. Not yet. You know that. Look, you got out. Maybe one day I can get out. Right now, somebody's got to stay behind. And I got a lot less baggage.
I'll be back. I'm coming back.
I don't expect nothing less. Move on my signal. Nobody shoot! Nobody! Sing? Sing? We gotta discuss this matter.
You don't look so good, Richie.
I could use a little pick-me-up.
Ricky! Ricky!
No!
They won't bother us. We've got no more gods left to lead them. For now.
Okay, class. Class.
Lieutenant Lieutenant Mike Rodney is back.
What's it take to kill you, son?
Or is he?
You'll be perfect one. That's one of Steinkamp's men.
Are you sure?
Whoever your man is, he's mistaken.
No, he wouldn't do that. Not the Rodney we knew. Sorry, Train.
I'm the next lightning force.
It's time for Super Action and Super FX with Super Force. Follow Zack, half man, half computer, and his buddy FX Spinner as they zap evil and injustice into the Stone Age. Super Force is next on Channel 9.
Viacom.